afternoon for that side for Makepen and for maturity side. They meet up waiting. They meet up some die body for some picking for 9 moon with Mami, Ibonam, Itroyam. Now for that side, so for maturity side, where they meet up the picking. Inside the same story for this afternoon, we go get on a Palava was speak to them. The other time, we show our hospital for side from Abanda where they abandon. This time, we go take una to go just for corner for burial ground. Now, for people there, they sabi from Abanda side, some hospital they them. Since where they make hospital, they never use the hospital. It gain a for the inside fence. We go turn back for talk that Palava too for back burying ground. Side where they put Kotobals, Mutumbu man for ground. We go tell una to this other Palava where they happen. Palava Padek. Where he don't lost so take 20 of the party people them for inside Douala here. The party people they vex for Sika say waiting. They say their own president, Oga Jean Didier Momo, he no be ask them question before he be go sign book. Say he want turn up for back Nkunkuma as we vote for get Nkunkuma he get for pass for inside we country. Big part talk for this afternoon. He tell we say waiting. Say person where he no get sense. If them give you Ngrimba, he go only turn na Koloman. As a person where he no get sense. If they give him Ngrimba, one time he go be na Kolomenta person inside this arrangement. On Etuge Divine for Isokolo for Limbe. Now he send we big part talk for this afternoon. At the turn back. Small time. Good afternoon. We're glad so we don't sit down for before tele for look where the pass for inside country. We go start now for inside Douala here, now for that side for maturity, as they call them Collège de la Maturité, where they call them so called people them for inside place where they call them say Bepanda side. Now for side that where it they so they meet up Sunday body with the Wakam, small with organ ni John Frundi SSF, where SSF be take we or pass through dream, they call it a Frundi for this as for Douala, where take we so we enter for inside the place. Now the picking that on no for see ben na 9 moon picking, no na say 9 years, 9 moon picking, where some woman he born am, he go through am for inside dirty place. Only people they wake up for this morning time for meet up that picking where he don't already die. And for picking, he be then up on top of it. We understand why we will not be fit for showing that one for sicker normal law where it's there. But we own country people them. They don't turn Tory people them. All man in the struggle for taking own image. So they go downstairs for go film the picking where they don't meet up 9 moon picking where he don't die so for that side so for corner maturity. Now mami this way own picking don't lost since he don't take opportunity say this picking he don't die he the beg that girl. Why he go manage keep picking then he go through him. So he be then a big trouble for inside this palava for talk say a day so someone the day where they define picking other one them they don't finish born picking so they no like they destroy him. So now the thing that way he wake up people then for that side so for maturity side now for we panda side so for this morning time for inside Douala here. Innocent 9 moon picking where they don't born am. Throw am for that side so con the people them. We go left picking where they throw away, we enter for inside Palava for cargo them. Better thing the way they abandon, the thing they rotting. We be first shown as on hospital for that side so for Apicam for inside Mabandam. This other hospital will be shown am. D1 is then for inside fence. Since where they make the hospital, no one man he never enter for that hospital. I say no one eye man. Now where people they ask question. Whether this house now over money where Cameroon get them. So he only go be in a house, he don't be in a specialist for being a house, con the people them abandon the house and where they know the user. Now another hospital this just for corner place where they call and say waiting better ground for side from Abanda for people there they sabi place where they bury that Mutumbu man where they call and say Kotobas. Now just for corner there where they so this hospital one at the sea and so it did. Since they build this hospital, no one doctor he never enter for day. People they ask question. You understand see the fence no? The fence na boundary with burial ground people them. You understand? Side for burial ground, then for the other side, then for this side. Now the hospital. So now for tell we say this so we can't get money so te no side set for kid money. Now hospital that way they don't make and since they know the user. The house is just there so they don't put gates, lock the house, no money need the user. Minister for sick people, you go get better answer for giving inside this story. Why una dey make hospital then una dey leave am, they know the use am. Now say the hospital land, no be dey na correct land. Now the big question that way people them they never feel for answer inside this story for this side. We never finish with Mabanda. We go so talk palava for dirty for inside market. But the one na dirty way e dey for corner something. Now the thing that way e catch ambassador eye. Dirty full up for inside market. The talk say sick for cholera e dey like say e dey. But people they know this also here. Even company say they carry dirty sorted today. Company never sabi say e get for comot people dem dirty. But the thing wey dey sweet me na say na only for corner dirty way for Douala people dey like for make their business. You understand? Now for corner dirty way people they like for make their business, it don't turn a normal country fashion for them. Say any side way dirty they must make business. You see the mommy? You dey see mommy the pea banana just for corner side way they make dirty. People the way they dey lazy where they no fit buy banana go pillar. They will come buy my banana where mommy don't pillar. You dey see am? They can buy and then go cook am for house. Now for who say mommy the pea banana so for corner dirty. E dey like say Douala woman them or Benin people them and dirty. Come be na one thing. You understand? They be na 2 and 1 or na 1 plus 1 na 2 no. Then the thing way the sweet me plenty na say market inside market some place the day where the day empty. Where people then set the fit she done for inside market. But they no fit. You understand? They no fit she done for market. They the instead come on na outside market. Now for roadway it is sweet them plenty for go sell. You understand? Now for outside where it is sweet them for go sell. See as we market don't rotten inside Mabanda market. Market don't rotten. See the one them for this side too for outside. Confusion for Okada and Moto. Okada don't kick Moto don't kick Okada. Now for here where people they like for made their business. But the thing where the sweet me where I don't ask I just also ask question. Why it be safe for Douala? People they do the thing na opposite. They get to more open place for inside market for sale. They know the sale for market. They instead can make business for road. If accident happen, it kill some person, they go talk say they never open their store. And for inside the same market, what would they talk? Dirty and chop, waiting they happen. Make we hear wait to wait some mommy wey the sell chop for that side for Mabanda SSP talk for we.
Yes, na me dey for Mabanda market, and the market be too bad. More day inside market, where no they will fit buy. Me I be buy at the food shop sell for Africa. So most of the people then they run the inside market, picking them for road, they sell woman they sell for road there. And it be too risky because as that people they sell for the way I pick up motor the pass, where if you jump picking or any woman they sell, but woman they run for car for inside market because market no fine. Some of the government try to see what way if you do for inside the market be too bad. Place then just be mud, big hole then they all sides. But some of we will struggle for car inside can buy. We be forced to come.
So for Sika say we market it will work plenty people then sell being people them they decide better na for go sell for corner roadway if motor make accident it go fall on top them. Now which kind of sense that? Make we hear wait to part talk for we own man Romanus or that side for Mabanda.
I buy the day we get for market. With the bed I didn't get say make we take care for week. I will the day to the give it. Every day when they can move, the government they get 1 week they no can move. All the market is smell and smell. But they give us mosquito, all cancer fever, all typhoid. The Mexican government they make some woman for market for inside market. I will market Mabanda market. Mabanda market get plenty people, like 4,000 people. Where they be try. Just maybe make sure they just they live on Bukata. Bukata get many people. They go route for market. They get like 4,000 people. They order the how warm amber week. Oh yeah, with that water with the common inside leak, all the land route, the prices they control we for market. Say they live in Bukata with price. I will Bukata know the from. Oh yeah, back then every day from every day try to move every day we will get the same problem.
Yes, now people then that for inside Mabanda market site, plenty palava, plenty problem that way they get for that site. We go left Mabanda market, even as we go so enter for market small time. We take una go from Bopi side for talk palava say road, no be the pass from Bopi side. The whole Tuesday for Sika say moto, he make accident enter for inside church. Lucky say no man, he no be there for inside church time with this accident. It happened. This ngongo the way carry on top he container. To way he enter for we ear talk say na brakes he craze. Na so to starting sese for moto is ploy. One time driver he enter na for inside church. Na for Sika why that way see inside moto sese with the show say OH he don't cash am. Now Okada for some person where they work for corner way, moto he come so he chakara and so for back as soon as they see him. Norway's 368 moto sese he no get his own matricle number. Whether na for before or for back moto, no matricle number he no be there for day. Plenty confusion. He be there for within moto for Sika 17. He make accident for corner gendarmerie place from Bopi. Gendarme they say now they get for look at the case. Police and to the talk say no way. Now we will get for local case. He make plenty people that be get for suffer for worker so for that side. Make we hear wait away someone per the man where SSF he be she done for sideway accident be happen. He talk for we.
So before they finish and I don't cut for inside. I don't cut so he take it got set for now come to now was
Inside driver for moto dey.
It is there for saloon from Bopi for gendarmerie from Bopi.
Is there many person?
Two people. No man, no gentleman. Just already give motorcycle, no gentleman.
The outside person on motorcycle dey.
Il est pour magasin de work. Il don't parler pour bien.
You mean say he no touch it?
No touch it.
So now the accident that way it be passed for Bopi for church road na the sea and so lucky say no money no dime. Now so we go take una enter for inside Bopi market where confusion sesep it be happen for this morning time. Now for Sika say waiting now some two store them inside them Bopi market tori we enter for we EM. It dey try for tell we say store it then a family store so for that side for inside Bopi where some other family people themselves they be get for can enter. They store them according to tori we enter for EM. Money where people they pay for inside the store you know they make and so big talk. It be happen for inside Bopi market for Sika say waiting they know they pay money for the right people them and it be na palava say waiting one family man it be get for pay money he give for other people then so it be then a palava for lock the store them for inside Bopi market site after we they so other family peoples they know the job so the family says all they be come outside to them for talk for the two people that way they she done for inside their store they say na papa left store them for back so it be then a palava for small fight where it be happen for inside that side so for Sika palava money rent where they pay for the store where know the meet up all people them for family so family says it come out for can talk for people them for that side say may they lock the store them it be then a big talk but anyhow we no be get fight na palava for follow for back for inside police according to way he enter for we ear for this palava for that side so for Bopi market this morning time. We enter now for inside politics, con people them for politics sides. We talk palava padek na party for Jean de Moumou, as they call it, Jean de Moumou, as they call him. Sabi se padiman, he don't lost 20 people them. Yes, they call in Jean de Moumou, where he did so he don't lost 20 people them for a party or a party people them. They don't join enter for inside Cameroon Renaissance movement. Sabi say na padiman where EBB for before for sign among the 20 political party them say they go turn up straight for Nkunkuma as we vote for get new president for country. It happen. So all the party people themselves they say it no be ask them before it be one take that kind of commander or decision. So one time they talk say better now for them for join Cameroon Renaissance movement when Maurice come to a party. So 20 party people them for Padek they don't cross carpet. They did just now with Maurice come to his own party. This one it happen wey small time SSF campaign e dey come and sabi say dem say dey vex after wey their own president e decide for go sign book say e go turn up strong for back Nkunkuma as wey new vote for get new Nkunkuma for country e get for happen for number 7 day for October moon 2018. So 20 people dem they don cross carpet. As well people dey cross carpet, SDF people dem say they get their own two way e dey hurt them for mind. Make we enter for inside SDF their own palava, SDF their own e dey hurt them na right for inside their mind. As we vote to the come president for SDF for that side for Central Region, e don talk say that pacha wey e dey ever happen all time wey president vote e dey happen. E no go pass again for the time. Waiting be SDF their own cry. Now say waiting, make they comot all place where they vote for inside presidency, for gendarme place, and for inside chief them. So people then for that side for Yawende, president for SDSSF, e don destroy we all the place where he put mark so na place where elekam e get for comot vote place for inside them. E move and for place, e keep am for place where all man if he for vote. They try for talk say they no understand for Sika why way Nkunkuma e go comot for go vote for outside. Then they also left place them for votes for places like chief house, for inside gendarme place, and even for inside presidency. They don't go meet up people them for Elekam for talk for them. They be don't promise them say 8 days they go give them answer. 16 days don't already pass. They never so get answer. Now so SDF for people them FDF for Central Region. They don't talk say small time. They go make Wakam for talk say this kind of thing. They no like at all inside this palava so country people then. So they talk say all that place where they vote, they must dey na for public place. No be na for inside presidency or for gendarme place or for chief house. Now we go take una go for Boya. We talk this palava for Waka wey be pass for inside Boya yesterday. Plenty people they be check say e no go pass, but Oga Ekema Patrick e last make a peace waka for inside Boyam. One e be then as say they left all the Igwe them where they be cash them for that side so for Southwest we put they be cash them. After they be waka from Bongo Square so they land for inside governor office. As so they enter for governor office, Oga Bernard Okala Bilai SSF, it take one time for talk for them. Say chief no na only for Bakore peoples, but na say then too they help Ngomna for rule. Inside the same palabam, Oga Mayom, he try for talk say waiting, palava for all the people them where they don't die plenty. He talk say make waiting, say make governor SSF he be now like a referee for inside fee for Ndambam, make it the blow, then he left the other one for them. But Sabi say Oga Okala Bilai, he talk say 2 bats. He no fit do one correct thing. So for Sikada one, he don't talk say no man he no get for fight a friend, make peace a day, and Oga Ekema Party he talk say all Anglophone conference where they talk say go happen for Boyam. He talk for before governor, no be na say an ambassador don't talk Oga Ekema say talk for before governor say waiting, say it dey so they no one done dongamen for all Anglophone conference for happen for inside Boya. Say they no dey on top that palava. But Sabi say all the one then so it happen for time where they so Oga Ekema Party SSF after this waka and after we they left all the chief there they catch them. He don't talk say waiting. Say it dey so all people there they be locked their store them, their been a place. May they open them, they start for work. Sabi say Kamambulu then SSF K2 them, near them, all they be there for corner. As so they be make this waka from Bongo Square so they reach for that side for governor office. So treating them where it be there for inside that waka. One, it be then as they left all chief there they be catch them before the waka be one reach, all the chief then they be don't come out. Number 2 thing, they say this palava for all Anglophone meeting. Oga Ekema talk say no one time for inside Boyam. Number 3 thing, they say make governor SSF he left them, may they handle this palava people the way they don't die anyhow. Governor deny, he talk say no way. If one man he don't fair do some bad thing, other man he can't do another bad, he no go help no nothing. So for Sikada one, he say he want that say me na peace. E dey. So now just for short, thing that way be passed for that side. So for Boya yesterday for inside waka for peace, where you see people then for other place they can join Oga Ekema Patrick for waka. But sabi say except otherwise, since morning time, people the way they be lock their business place, they get for don't open for start say that one at the sorry heart. We Ekema Patrick, Igiam for business people them for Boya, we be don't lock their store them. Say me the chakara outing, the fista say it don't give them sorry heart after we chip the come out. So we remain for inside Boya for talk say some 2-day ndongamen for palava for peace, palava for democracy, and for palava for people then for look out where they happen for Northwest and Southwest. It go finish today for that side for Center for Human Rights and Democracy for inside Africa. This idea it come out now for barrister Agbo Bala Felix Nkongo Seseb, where Iggy invite for some people the way they come out for other country, like this woman where they talk, it come out now for Mali side. Then another party man say on go see face, it come out now for that side for Nigeria. People the way they do so they do for inside the Dongamen, now woman the way they don't hear about for Sika this palava for Northwest and Southwest. They try for talk for them say war, you know me say you fight war we war. Now say when you get war for she done for one place, you talk with the people them. Then Dongamen says it go finish today for that side so for Boya and an idea for barrister Agbobala Nkongo Felix. Now to read that, before we finish, we take on a go for that side so where they call them say Bonabering. Sabi say small picking the day for Walide just now, and for the Walide, they don't gather picking the way they come up for different side them for inside Cameroon. Now palava for youth camp where na church, Presbyterian church where they say that they organize. And then for keep picking them for inside place where they so they go so member. No be na palava for left picking the tonton, they only go for holiday classes. Now for make picking them to understand say Papa God the talk to a day so the you come. Now for teach picking them to how for read Papa God the book and for teach them other small thing them. As I talk for now, plenty people them, plenty young people they come up for different sides. You get one day they come up Boyam, one day they come up Yawende, one day they come up Bafusam, or then the day for Douala here for youth camp where it concern na only young people them where they day for inside holiday. Outside class, if I say me they put their head to for some other thing them, no be now only for be for WhatsApp, Facebook, and some kind small thing them, but now for teach them. Some other small thing the way they no sabi and we teach them, they never finish teach them. Make we hear wait some people the way they day inside that youth camp, they get for talk for Chief Robert Mukube in microphone.
Now an annual issue where you no get boundary.
Now my number 5 years is to come for experience this type of great atmosphere where it be organized every year. This program I be opportunity to attend because number 5 it been a very wonderful experience for me for be here. I be blessed say with for my experience I not just can as the camp. Like one of my testimonies I will share now be say with I be that kind of person where I be being an asthmatic person. I just get the hand of God and I be healed. I bless the camp for which you don't do for my life.
We try to encourage the public. Say many people don't know about this Presbyterian youth camp. It be a program where we try to teach the picking them because plenty picking them with their school and with a lot of involvement with the social life, their phones and many other things. Plenty of them know they get time for understand God. Plenty of them know they get time for get fellowship with God. They don't know how for fast. They don't know what we mean by fasting, prayers and the rest. You know, the little time we picking the get them, it go directly for your phone after school. And so this it be the program where we try for train picking how for relate to God.
So after that, people then say they did a part for look at this picking them where they did for quiet time. We be talk Chief Robert Mukube. He put a microphone too for the person we did for before when a Pastor Tabe Pascaline. Make we hear wait to get for talk.
Annual issue where you no get boundary. Even though it be organized by the Presbyterian Church in Cameroon, it no mean say people they no be Presbyterians, make they no come. Even though it dey between Bonaberi and Fako North, it no mean say people the way they out of these two presbyteries, make they no come. We just bless God. Say this year we get picking them from 6 other denominations. Where they come for can celebrate this youth camp with we. Can they beg up papa them and mommy them say, during holidays we get money for send picking them for holiday classes. After they run the study, the whole year, we not leave them rest. We say may they go holiday classes, so 1 month. This one are just 1 week. We dey beg them, say, we know say education without Christianity is nothing but barbarism. Make they come so that we fit continue the work we pastor they do, Sunday school teachers, elders they do on Sunday. May we get this 1 week for really impact them intensively so that they fit.
So, country people them now for with that small picking small gathering, we'll finish story for this afternoon. We'll not go fit for enter for newspaper. For people them where they want also for join we make una sabi for now on a day outside country. We will get another rebroadcast for Tori for 1 o'clock for 12:30 for this side for Douala. So if you there for outside, you feel also look what will happen. But you feel also join me too for YouTube. You find me for inside YouTube. You go follow Tori or don't talk If not be so, even for Facebook setup, you feel join me. You put your comment. Anything where they happen for any side way there, you fit right we. We go come meet up you one time for see as well the thing they happen. PG News, Equinox TV. Now we Facebook that for that side, so for Inside Palava for Tori, for Inside Equinox Story House. So, can the people them, now so we finish Tori for this afternoon. We get plenty of people there where they make Tori happen fine. I want to say big thank you for Francis Boyom, he did for his own side. Big thank you too for Nadine Guafo, he did for his own side. Then Da Silva Mikel, he too, he did for his own side. We want to thank all that people there where they put their hand for say make Tori waka fine. I remember you Romanus Chair for Mabanda side, and even you, Frundi, where you say you bring that Tori. For the woman where he born in Trowe Pikin for 9 months for that side, so for the panda maturity. Ambassador Cecil be the top, bon appetit for all my way the chop. Now sote for some time, on a whole and tight.